Vechain holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video, I'm talking about the latest price update of Vechain. What's the price changes occur in the Vechain? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and update videos, guys. The right now price of Vechain in the market is about 0.090896 USD dollar. That is right now price of Vechain in the market, guys. Furthermore, if we study the changes of Vechain, now the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, changes occur in the Vechain is negative, guys. Very petty, the price of Vechain going down. So what should we do in a right now situation? Now the Vechain are completely going in the loss. Let's see the price chart. That is last 1 day price chart, last 24 hours. The change is about negative 2.58%. Highest price is about 0.0946% USD dollar. That is the highest price. Furthermore, if we study, so you can see here, guys, the price are going in the loss. But I know, guys, now the Vechain are going in the loss, but that's not mean then you decide to say no, guys. You have to hold. If you hold, so now possibility that the price will pump, guys. Anyways, guys, what is your prediction? What is your opinion about Vechain? Please also share in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe channel.